Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? So I've decided, guys, that we're going to work on, or I'm going to work on, Moon Glow by Hannah Lynn. And this is going to be for the event called hashtag Hannathon5 by, I think it's hosted by Beth. And she has a YouTube channel called Shine Like a Diamond. So yeah, and I believe it's for the whole month of April. Okay, and guys, this is actually my very first painting that I ever purchased. And of course, then I started working. The first one that I actually worked on was Cavalier Cat for my daughter. But this is actually the first one that I purchased. Okay, so let me bring it up. It's called Moon Glow by Hannah Lynn. Okay, and we know that Hannah Lynn has like 23 paintings at Diamond Art Club. One of them is Space Explorer, which I did an unboxing. Spring Delight. And the other one is Rochelle. And by the way, I just finished Rochelle, so I'll be doing a post review this week. Okay, so this is actually an old kit, because I've had this for a while. So here's the older kit. Okay. And this is the sticker. Okay. So why don't we look at the kit? What's inside the kit? Let's see. So it looks like we have resealable bags. And this is just in case you don't have any containers. You could put the drills in here. Okay, and it comes with a blue pen, diamond pen, and it comes with a comfort grip. And you're supposed to slide this in, which I always have difficulty. Oh, mamma mia, I just cut my nails. Oh, there it goes. Okay, and this is supposed to help with your fingers, especially if you've suffered from arthritis. And then here's another placer, and this is a number 4 placer. This is a single placer. And it comes with 2 heart-shaped wax and a tray. Okay, so let's move this aside. So remember, this is an older kit. And this, like I said, this comes with the big sticker. The big sticker, actually, you know what? I just realized something, guys. This doesn't come with the individual pre-cut stickers like the newer kit, but that's okay. All I'm going to do is just cut them up. Okay, so it tells you that it's a round. It's got ABs. Its size is 47 by 66 centimeters, and she's gorgeous, guys. I love her. Okay, so all the Diamond Art Club paintings come in a plastic bag where it says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, but I always say do what makes you happy. And this is, you know, when it's traveling, it protects the painting. All right, so the drills should be in here. I believe I probably purchased this in 2021, guys. Yeah. Any small sticker? No, it doesn't have a small sticker. Okay. So this is the basically step-by-step instructions. Thank you for your purchase, tips and tricks, and how it works. Okay? So let's put that aside. And these are the drills. It does come with a sticker, and it says Moon Glow. This is just in case if you separate the drills, you'll know that these drills go with this canvas. All right, so let's put that aside. We're going to look at the drills later, and let's not forget that the drills are 100% resin. Okay, and the canvas, all the canvases from Diamond Art Club are super soft, and they're designed like this, guys, to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Okay. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Let's unroll it. And sometimes you might see a little bit of creases, but it's okay. You leave it out and it'll flatten out. Okay, and this is considered a medium size painting. So let's roll it this way because you can do this. Okay. Voila. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right. So up here in the top, always says Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. It always has 2 legends. Wow, look at this, guys. This actually has the picture on the top. So it's got the picture on the top, right? And then it tells you again the name, Moon Glow. It's 47 by 66 centimeters, which is 18.5 by 26 inches. Okay, and here's the legend. So you got 2 legends, one on the left-hand side on the upper, on the top, and then the other legend is on the bottom of the right-hand side. Okay, and in the bottom, it tells you that you can find them on Facebook and Instagram. It also tells you here lifetime warranty, which is a 30-day money back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and a 10% cashback rewards for every order. Okay, now let's look at the legend very quickly. So let me tell you how handy the legend is. Basically, it tells you how many colors it has, the painting. So it's got 36 colors. And then in the middle, it tells you the code, which is the symbol on the painting. And then this is the DMC code, okay? And by looking at this, it looks like it has 2 ABs, which doesn't mean that you can't add more ABs or sparklers or crystals, okay? Oh my gosh, I just love Hannah Lynn, guys. Look how beautiful she is, this painting. So why did I like this painting, or why do I love this painting? Well, because she's a fairy, and I love fairies. And I love her wings. It's very colorful. It's very bright. I love her hair. I love her outfit. And so look how comfortable she is. She's slouching. And then if you look at the background, okay, you have stars. It's basically, there's a glow. Okay, so it's like a moonlit moon in the night. And then you have stars and you have sparkle, which I love, love, love. Okay, yeah, just love her. She's got big, big blue eyes, and yeah, so, and all beautiful colors. So let's just look at the drills. Okay, let's begin. And the first half of the video, I forgot to put on my mic, so I apologize for that. Okay, 165 is moss green, very light. Hopefully you can see it. Oh, not there. There, you can see it there. Okay, 208 is lavender, very dark. And 209 is lavender dark. And we have 4 packets of 310. Okay, put that there. And then we have 318, which is steel gray light. 327 is violet dark. And I'm going to move this lighting over here so you can see better. And 334 is baby blue medium. 353 is peach. Oops. 445 is lemon light. 550 is violet very dark. Oopsie daisy. 600 is cranberry very dark. 601 cranberry dark. 602 cranberry medium, lots of cranberries. And 605 cranberry very light. Does it fit in here? Can you see it? Oh yeah, you can. Okay, that's good. 772 is yellow green very light. 775 is baby blue very light. 796 is royal blue dark. 797 is royal blue. And 798 is delft blue dark. Okay, 820, we have 3 packets of 820, and this is royal blue, very dark. Okay, 907 is parrot green light. 912 is emerald green light. 913 is Nile green medium. 939 is navy blue very dark. 951 is tawny light. 954 is Nile green. 956 is geranium. And 957 is geranium pale. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I'm not sure. 963 is dusty rose ultra very light. Sorry about that. $9.95 is Electric Blue Dark. Oopsie daisy. Almost finished. $37.60 is Wedge. Did I skip one? No. $37.60 is Wedgwood Medium. And $37.55 is Baby Blue. $38.11 Turquoise Very Light. And the last one, $38.37 Lavender Ultra Dark. Okay, so these are all the beautiful bright colors. So as you can see, you have lots of the blue family, lots of pinks, lots of purples and blues and blacks. Okay, so let's move them aside. And let's see the two ABs. So you have 138 AB, very, very pretty. It's like a blue. It's not like a blue, it is a blue. It's like a very light blue. And then 141 is white. So let's bring back the beautiful painting, Moon Glow. And if you look at the legend, 138 is symbol 1. So wherever you see 1. And by the way, guys, this has well, lots of blocking up here in the sky. But her hair, I guess you have a little bit of everything. It's like confetti here and confetti on her wings, and her body is more blocking. Okay. And like I mentioned before, blocking is just basically, it's the same color in the same place, and you don't have to change the drills. And confetti means that you do have to change the colors because it's different colors, so you have to change the drills more often. Okay, so we said symbol 1, and symbol 1 is all the blue on her hair, which is beautiful. Some on the flower, which I forgot to mention, there's a flower on her hair. There's some blues over here. That's part of her hair. Any on the wings? Yep, there's some on the wings. Right here. Where did I see it? There's ones here. There's ones here. And some ones over here, but that's her hair. Okay. Now let's look at number 141. And I believe that's number 2. Yeah, it's symbol number 2. We're gonna have to move this back. I forgot. Sorry, the glare. All right, so symbol 2, is it on the moon? Nope, but I do see it here. I see it on the stars. I see some here. Lots on the stars. She has some in her eyes. Actually, she has symbol 1 and 2. So she's got a little bit of both on her eyes. None on her lips. Let's see, how about her wings? Her wings, yeah, she's got some 2s and 1s. So 2s and 1s, yep. So it looks like most of it is going to be on the stars, some on her hair, and some on her wings. Which means, guys, I'm definitely going to bling. I'm going to definitely add more ABs or crystals or something to this. Oh my gosh, why am I seeing such a glare? I apologize for the glare, guys. I'm really sorry. All right, so yeah, so this is what I'm going to be working on, Moon Glow, for Hanathon 5. So thank you very much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. Thank you, and bye-bye.